Today's Latin phrase is ad hominem. Literally, it means to the person. It involves attacking a person's character instead of their position. For instance, if I say, I can't take his ideas on pollution seriously because he's a right-winger, it's an ad hominem against the other person. Are all ad hominems bad? Let's look at these two examples. You're enjoying a steak and supporting vegetarianism. You're a charlatan. Here, there are 2 points. You argue in favor of vegetarianism, and you love to eat steak. Steak is meat. So your stand can easily be refuted by an argumentum ad hominem, an ad hominem argument. Calling you a meat eater who should not be believed in is perfectly valid and legitimate in this case. Now look at this case. You're enjoying a steak and supporting open market economy. You're a charlatan. Here the 2 points are, you argue in favor of open market economy and you love to eat steak. Now your stand here cannot be refuted by an argumentum ad hominem because your food preference has got nothing to do with your views of the economy. So saying you shouldn't be believed in because you're a meat eater is invalid. Let's look at a few sentences to know the practical use. I don't need an ad hominem theory to explain the bias in his statement. Please don't indulge in personalities. This court doesn't encourage ad hominem statements. Stick to the issues. This is a typical admonition by the judge in his courtroom. Your ad hominems don't make my arguments invalid. They simply show you in poor light. Note, ad hominems can be extremely persuasive. In order to counter such attacks, you need to demonstrate that your character is completely unrelated to the issues being discussed. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.